Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Today we have ordered Realme C21 just received by Flipkart. So today I am going to do unboxing of this Realme C21 smartphone. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So let's begin unboxing. So we just unbox it and you can see here Realme C21 number one quality smartphone brand. On left hand side of this box we have Realme C21 and some specifications over here, and here also Realme. On back hand side you can see 5000 milliampere massive battery, 6.5 inch large display, instant fingerprint sensor. This is the highlight of this phone, and you can see 13 megapixel artificial intelligence AI triple camera, Helio processor G35, and 3 card slot. Means you can add 2 SIM cards and 1 memory card in this phone, and it has Android 10. Anyway, let's open this box now and see what's inside this box. Okay. So on the very top we have this one, a great story since the first leaf Realme, and inside this we have Realme safety guide, a Realme quick guide. Let's keep it back. So now we have this phone. Let's open this. This is Realme. The color is blue, and look at the beautiful back cover, and it has 3 cameras and 1 flash in behind, fingerprint sensor. On the right you can see power button over here, and this volume rocker. Here is the front facing camera, and here is speakers. Here is SIM ejector tray. On the bottom you can see headphone and speakers and power. Beautiful looking. Let's see what else is inside. This is power adapter, USB. And this is USB cable along with this. So these are the things we found in this unboxing. This USB cable, charger, user manual, and this smartphone, Realme smartphone. There's no cover along with this, and I'll have to check if it has a screen guard along with this or not. So this was all about unboxing. I will just later I will set up this phone, and then I will make another video of and we'll do a review of this phone. I was just doing unboxing right now, so I thought let's make a quick video and show it to you all. I hope you like this video. Please comment below if you want me to include anything in the review, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.